Welcome to the Vault Gizmos introduction video, where I will show you an example workflow for the Vault Gizmos plugin. What is Vault Gizmos? It is an asset for boosting the Gizmos workflow, and it is available on the Unity Asset Store. If you wish to read a more in-depth description of the plugin, receive support, or get the plugin itself, you can find some nice links in the video description. Okay, so let's say that we are starting off with a project that we have already been developing for quite some time. Today we have to do some level designing and we want to do it quicker using the Vault Gizmos. First, we will import the Vault Gizmos plugin into the project. Now, let's open the Vault Gizmos window and dock it somewhere in a nice spot. We can see that the plugin comes with some pre-configured snapshots, but we want to work on some custom scripts today, so let's create a new Vault Gizmos data. Now, let's double-click the asset to load it. The data got loaded and we can see that it currently has only one configured snapshot. Empty snapshots by default disable all icons and gizmos on load. We'll use the second snapshot just for that, since disabling gizmos boosts the editor performance, as the scene view doesn't have to render them. Let's give it a nice name and an icon. We will configure the third snapshot to show us only those game objects that have the destructive props script attached. To make the script visible in the Gizmos settings and the scene, we'll add an icon to the script. Then we will enable the script gizmo in the scene view gizmo settings and save it to the snapshot. We will make one more snapshot for enabling only the Decals gizmos. If you don't like cluttering your editor screen, you can close the Vault Gizmos window after configuring the snapshots and toggle between them using only the shortcuts. That's all there is to it to get started with Vault Gizmos. If you want to learn more about other functionalities like layout toggling, shortcuts configuration, or snapshotting the scene camera, make sure to check the Quick Start guide, which is bundled with the plugin. Thanks for watching.